Have you ever scrubbed your stainless pan over and over only to step back and see it still looks greasy, burnt, or covered in stuck-on foods? I know, because I've been there. I used every hack I could find online. Baking soda, vinegar, oven cleaner, and so on. And no matter how hard I tried, my pans never looked brand new again. But then I noticed something different. My friend who's a chef had pans that looked like they just came out the box. And his trick wasn't some random hack. It was one simple product that completely changed the game. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it the right way. So your stainless pan don't just get clean, they actually look brand new. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clean your stainless pans with Barkeeper's Friend, step by step. No tricks, no need to scrub forever. By the end, your pans will literally shine like new. Step 1. Quick wash. First, give your pan a quick wash with some dish soap, warm water, and a non-scratch sponge. I like to use a scrub daddy. Using anything too abrasive can scratch the surface and shorten the pan's lifespan. This step clears away grease and any loose food stains before we tackle the tougher spot. Step 2. Apply Barkeeper's Friend. Now for the secret weapon. Wet the surface of the pan. Sprinkle on a light layer of Barkeeper's Friend. And start scrubbing with a non-scratch sponge. Here's the key, don't rush it. Barkeeper's Friend works because it has oxalic acid, and that's what breaks down those tough stains and discoloration. But you gotta give it a little time after you scrub it in. Let it sit for about 1 to 3 minutes. If you rinse it off too quickly, it won't do much. But if you leave it on for too long, it can start to damage the surface. Step 3. Rinse and dry. Once it's done its job, rinse thoroughly with warm water. And immediately dry the pan with a towel. This prevents water spots and keeps it looking spotless. Look, this pan was full of burn stains just minutes ago. Now it's almost like new. Side by side with one clean only with soap and water, the shine is totally different. For everyday cleaning, you don't need to use Barkeeper's Friend every single time. Just soap, warm water, and a non-scratch sponge will keep your pan in shape. But if your pan still has those stuck-on stains after a normal wash, bring this out. It will reset your pan back to brand new. If you're sick of scrubbing forever and your pans still don't look clean, skip the vinegar and baking soda hacks. Just use Barkeeper's Friend. Let it sit for a couple minutes and your pan will look brand new. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more effective cleaning tips, and share with a friend who needs their pans rescued. Trust me, well, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.